You're in the middle of dinner when your phone buzzes. A customer is furious about a late order. You put down your fork, open your laptop, and spend the next 20 minutes writing an apology you've written a dozen times before. Sound familiar? If you're a small business owner, customer complaints are just part of the deal, but they don't have to eat your time the way they probably do right now. AI can handle a big chunk of this work for you, if you set it up the right way. That's exactly what we're going to walk through today. Before touching any tool, spend 20 minutes reviewing your email, Google reviews, and DMs. Write down the 5 or 6 complaint situations that come up again and again: late orders, damaged goods, billing confusion, service issues, appointment problems. That list is your blueprint. You're building a system for the problems actually eating your time, week after week. One honest limitation: AI works best with predictable, repeatable problems. If your business regularly deals with emotionally complex or unusual complaints, the setup takes more thought and care. Start simple. Use AI to draft standard response templates. Open ChatGPT, free at chat.openai.com, or $20 monthly for better models. Give it a clear prompt. Write a warm but professional email from a small business owner apologizing for a 3-day late order. Apologize sincerely. Say you're investigating, offer 10% off, keep it under 150 words, and don't sound robotic. You'll have a solid draft in seconds. Do this for each complaint type. Save the best versions in a Google Doc or Notion. Now when complaints come in, grab a template, personalize it, and send. Never copy-paste without reading first. AI drafts need your eyes on them. The tone can occasionally land off, especially when emotionally charged. If customers reach out through your website, an AI chatbot can handle first responses around the clock. The goal isn't resolving complaints. It's making customers feel heard immediately and letting them know a real person is coming. Tidio has a free tier and paid plan starting at $29 monthly. You train it with your return policy, hours, and frequently asked questions. When someone says their package never arrived, the bot acknowledges this, asks for their order number, and promises a human follow-up within a specific time frame. Honest downside: poorly set up chatbots make things worse. A frustrated customer hitting scripted responses that don't address their issue gets more frustrated. Always ensure there's a clear, easy path to reach a real human. For negative reviews, AI puts distance between your emotions and your words. Copy the review into ChatGPT or Claude, free at claude.ai, $20 monthly for paid, and ask it to write a response that acknowledges the customer's experience, apologizes without being defensive, mentions what you're addressing, and invites direct contact. Keep it under 100 words. Important limitation: AI doesn't know the full story. If the customer was unreasonable or the review is fraudulent, you make that call yourself. Don't let AI apologize for something that wasn't your fault without thinking it through. For after-hours complaints, a smart auto-reply acknowledges the specific issue, gives a realistic time frame, and points to self-service options like FAQs or order tracking. Here's the honest truth: AI won't replace the human side of customer relationships, and it shouldn't. What it does is take the repetitive, time-consuming parts of complaint handling off your plate so that when a situation genuinely needs you, you have the energy to show up. That dinner you were interrupted at the start? With the right setup, the complaint gets an immediate, thoughtful response, and you get to finish your meal.